योग याग विधी येणे नोहे सिद्धी, वायाची उपाधी दंभ धर्म, वायाची उपाधी दंभ धर्म, वायाची उपाधी दंभ धर्म, भावे वीण देव न कळे निसंदेह, गुरु वीण अनुभव कैसा कळे, गुरु वीण अनुभव कैसा कळे, गुरु वीण अनुभव कैसा कळे, तपे वीण दैवत दिधल्या वीण प्राप्त, गुजे वीण हित कोण सांगे, गुजे वीण हित कोण सांगे, गुजे वीण हित कोण सांगे, ज्ञानदेव सांगे दृष्टांताची मात, ज्ञानदेव सांगे दृष्टांताची मात, ज्ञानदेव सांगे दृष्टांताचे मात, साधूंचे संगती तरणोपाय, साधूंचे संगती तरणोपाय, साधूंचे संगती तरणोपाय.
In the first stanza of this Abhang, Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that even by performing yajnas, yagas and other rituals, or by practicing Ashtanga Yoga or Hatha Yoga, one cannot attain self-realization or the state of Shri Hari, that is God. These are all external practices, and while performing them, one's mind may become filled with ego and hypocrisy. Therefore, even after performing these external practices, there is a possibility that they may prove to be futile. In the next stanza, Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that without surrendering to God, no one can attain self-realization. Without the guidance and blessings of a Sadguru, how can one attain self-realization? Because so far, everyone has attained self-realization only through the grace of Shri Sadguru. Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says that without performing tapas, that is austerity, and sadhana, that is spiritual practices, one cannot attain God. Without giving something, one cannot get something in return. This is the proven secret that no one can understand without a Sadguru. Therefore, self-realization is not possible without the blessings of Shri Sadguru. In the final stanza, Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that he is presenting the principle of the path to self-realization, which is that without the company of the saints and the association with the wise, there is no way to cross over the ocean of ignorance. Without this, self-realization is not possible at all. Therefore, let's chant Hari Mukhe Mhana, Hari Mukhe Mhana, Punyachi Gadana Kona Kari.
Hari Mukhe Mhana, 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 Punyachi Gadana Kona Kari, Punyachi Gadana Kona Kari.